You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Following President Trump's April announcement of tariffs on all imported goods, investors began reassessing their strategies. U.S. stocks and the dollar weakened, while the strengthening euro made European exports less competitive. As a result, attention shifted to emerging markets, including Latin American currencies, Brazilian bonds, and Indian equities. Shares of gold mining companies in Australia and Canada are also drawing interest. Traditionally volatile markets are now seen as more stable. In addition, interest is reviving in Saudi and Chinese stocks amid hopes for stimulus measures and strategic repositioning in the face of changing global trade dynamics. Oil prices have posted their steepest monthly drop in 3 years, driven by falling demand expectations amid ongoing global trade wars and rising supply concerns. In April, Brent and WTI prices declined by 15% and 16% respectively, marking the sharpest fall since November 2021. This decline followed President Trump's April 2 declaration of tariffs on all U.S. imports, which triggered retaliatory measures from China and intensified the trade war between the world's two largest oil consumers. As a result, economic uncertainty has shaken investor confidence, with U.S. consumer sentiment hitting a near 5-year low and Chinese manufacturing activity sharply declining. Gold prices dipped slightly on Tuesday. Signs of easing trade tensions between the U.S. and China are reducing demand for safe haven assets. Investors are now focusing on upcoming U.S. economic data in search of fresh market direction. Despite record highs reached in February amid trade conflict escalation, recent trends indicate a declining interest in gold as a protective asset. Nevertheless, gold remains a crucial component in diversified investment portfolios. Despite recent growth in institutional investment, Bitcoin is still considered undervalued, according to Fidelity Digital Assets, which maintains a bullish mid-term outlook. Additionally, a drop in U.S. job openings, as reflected in the JOLTS report, has reinforced expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut, weakening the dollar and supporting Bitcoin. Meanwhile, institutional players including BlackRock are actively increasing their crypto holdings. The market clearly holds potential. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.